Hi, this is John Licata with Licata Group, Keller Williams Capital Properties. This home at 509 Mount Pleasant Drive in Locust Grove, Lake of the Woods, is a beautiful custom home, very well appointed. As you walk in, you're greeted very welcomely with beautiful hardwood floors, nice side office, full bath off one of the guest rooms. This home has 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. There's a very nice dining area off the great room. It's open. A propane fireplace. And as you walk out to a very pretty Florida room, very bright and airy. We'll walk out there in a moment. Really nice kitchen, big kitchen. Laundry room right off the kitchen and master area. Beautiful master. Look at this master, very nice. Office area or sitting room off the master bedroom with access to the deck. We'll go out there last. Again, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. For those of you who don't know, Lake of the Woods is the jewel of Virginia. It's an amenity-rich community with just about everything imaginable to have fun and enjoy a great lifestyle. I'm still in the master area. Big closet, walk-in closet. This has a bonus room upstairs off the garage. It's a 2-car garage. I typically don't take videos of the garage. The garage is a garage. And when they're putting their home for sale, you have a lot of stuff in there, but it is an ample sized garage. This room is above the garage. They use it as an office for telecommuting, overflow for guests. So it has basically 1-level living with an upstairs bonus room. And I'm walking back into the great area. One of the nicest features I feel of this house is the outside living space. So I'm walking through the Florida room again. This was an addition. And look at this fantastic space out here. Just so welcoming to entertain, have friends and family over. It's a low maintenance property, very low maintenance. The sunroom was added in 2005. New HVAC, new driveway, railings, sump pump, new gutter covers, a lot of things that the next buyer or next owner won't have to worry about. I'm walking back into this facility, into this room. Again, a beautiful room. You could personalize it with your own paint and things if you choose to. Just a nice place to have fun and enjoy your friends and family and just have a lifestyle. I tell people who aren't familiar with Lake of the Woods that if you come to Lake of the Woods and you have blood pressure, it will lower immediately. So for this house or any other house, go to www.licatagroup.com. That's Licata group.com, or Thank you for listening.